Hello everybody. How to freeze some rows or columns in a big spreadsheet so you can view it properly. Check it out. I go to the critical cell and there I click on View, Freeze, and I would select up to this row and View, Freeze, up to this column. Like that, when I move right now, I will also see these first rows and these first columns. If I want to move it, very easy with the hand here, you can change that. And this is also useful to print this page by getting freeze these areas. Okay, enjoy it. See you next time. Oh, by the way, to take it out is View, Freeze, no rows, View, Freeze, no columns, and it would be like at the beginning. Okay, see you next time.